everyone, my name is Derek Shakey and I'm with the Collector Car Network here at one of the world famous Barrett-Jackson auctions. Now if you look at the brochure for Chevrolet's 1953 line of trucks, you'll see them all working hard, whether that's at an oil derrick or hauling construction materials or carrying a mountainous amount of animal feed bags. Sure, you could use this 1953 Chevrolet 3100 5-window pickup to carry home cinder blocks for your next home improvement project, but just look at this. It's too beautiful to work. In 2011, this advanced design truck received a frame-off restoration and a conversion to a 12-volt electrical system. As part of the overhaul, it was refinished in this absolutely gorgeous two-tone combination of light and dark green, which is even more eye-catching under the bed's wood side rails. No matter which angle you view it from, it looks great. There are gleaming chrome bumpers at both ends and Firestone white wall tires. One thing you won't see is a cab-mounted fuel cap because the gas tank has been moved to under the oak plank floor of the bed. That'll make the reupholstered two-tone gray vinyl and cloth interior an even more pleasant place to be. If you were to put this handsome rig to work, you'd have the power of a 235 cubic inch inline six and harness it with a 4-speed manual gearbox. That's a big if though. Maybe you just want to cruise in it or drive it to get ice cream every weekend. Feel free to let me know in the comments below what you'd do with this truck if you placed the winning bid for it. Thanks for watching.
Hey guys, thanks so much for watching our video. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button. And remember to comment down below your thoughts. If you want to collect a car of your own, check out our website at classiccars.com, which is our online marketplace with over 30,000 listings live on the site. Also, be sure to check out our sister website, Auto Hunter, which is our 7-day online auction. Thanks again, guys, and we'll see you guys in the next video.